welcome back to the channel. Well, as a few people know, I haven't been on in a while, a few months, 3 or 4 months. Wow. I mean, I get the little alert from YouTube where it's like your last video uploaded like said days ago. It was like 4 months or so. But needless to say, a lot of people have been asking what's going on with the truck, what's going on with the channel. And channel's still going strong. We just haven't been uploading because there really wasn't much to upload, unless I started doing like daily vlogs of life and stuff like that. But as far as racing content and the truck content, we didn't really have much because we put the new blower on, we built the trans, and COVID-19 hit, and that was a roadblock for a few months. Then we finally got frustrated with everything, and we saw that Whipple was offering a new upgrade for the blower. So we were like, all right, we'll pull the blower off. We're not doing anything anyway, really. So we sent the blower out to Whipple, and we were like, might get ready to put the built motor in too. So we contacted Whipple Performance. They got us some pistons, some rods out to us. Their new tough H-beam rods. So we're gonna try those out, see how everything works. And as soon as we get all of this rolling, a few days later, we find out that the tracks are starting to open. It was like early June. We're like, really? But what can you do, right? We're here now. So at this point, you can kind of pick up in this video where we were at and get a feel for where we are now. And over these next couple weeks, we should be back full up and running and chasing some records. But oh, that's my other truck, the daily. Look at her, she's all dirty. If you follow me on like Instagram, then you've seen this truck recently going swimming. But yeah. So take a look at this video. We got some good clips from when we were visiting L&M, and you can kind of see where we're at, what we're doing. And just know, we're just getting started, and the fun's getting ready to really turn on. All right, so we have the POV cam on, so let me know if this works out better for you guys. But yeah, so Manly sent us a couple boxes. And in those boxes, we have, that's right, some pistons. We are heading down to L&M, so when we get down there, we'll open it up and you get a good peek. There she goes. Oh yeah. Well, we've reached our destination. There we go. Okay. Whew. What's going on, man? Living. Huh? Yeah. A little bit.
GoPro camera on your head?
Yeah, YouTube life. You wind up, your hands are full, so we get POV camera.
What?
Point of view camera. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah. So we got the tough.
The name of the tough rods?
Yeah, have you guys played with them yet?
Yeah.
Of course, that box would be the heavy one. looks like an H-beam.
It's a lot beefier.
Yeah, just looking at it, you can see.
Oh, then a regular H-beam.
Big difference.
You guys, well, obviously you do have a regular H-beam. You got an H and an I-beam I can line up next to it. Get a comparison. Then we got.
You can see right off the bat, it's already a piece of thicker.
I try not to actually know what the rods really look like. It's usually not a good thing if I really know what it looks like.
Looking at a rod right now.
Yeah, it's like gotta win. What do you say? That's what they.
218.5.
Really?
Total weight 688 grams.
Wow.
What are those?
Heavier than an I-beam. Okay, there's an I-beam, H-beam.
Sorry. I know nowadays you don't touch no that shit. Woo.
All around a lot easier. Both sides, way thicker. Wraps around the top. Bottom's thicker.
Okay, so we got regular H and the I.
Put on something nicer for you.
I'm not one of those preppy channels that needs the imaginary clean white shirt, white sheet that it's on. But
I need to stand off on the other side for you though.
yeah.
What do they claim they're rated to?
1,000 plus. So they say the regular H is 700 plus. The H tough is 1,000 plus. Then they never even give a rating on the I. It's just.
I'm curious to see how that holds up compared to the I-beams.
How much is the regular H weigh? Roughly. I'm saying lighter or heavier?
Regular H is lighter, way lighter. You can just feel the difference by hand off down.
What about their pistons? Have you guys?
Yeah, he's made it.
Oh, okay. Platinums.
Pretty.
Should be some fun. Should hold for what we got going on.
Yeah, definitely hold for you. What's your power goal on that?
Well, the blower is continuously gathering more potential, but I haven't seen the Transits handle too much more than 1,200. So I'm at a point in my life where me and my pocket are trying not to be part of the R&D crew. So, so I think we're going to try and stop it right around there, around that 12 mark, and I think the rings the rings over there. Guys are making 12, 1,300. Cobra Jet's even more, you know, going 10,000 RPM. But we'll see.
A lot of fun.
When it stays together, when everything stays together. Because it's like, you know, it's a slippery slope. It's like, all right, you get the motor solid, then the trans. Then, yeah, it's like you're continuously finding a new weak point. What's that, Rebecca? Is my block somewhere around?
Your block over here.
Yeah. Sitting in a corner like, this guy never coming back.
Right here. Just leave it over to the side.
Ooh. Oh shit, Dorian. There we go. I know that guy. There we go. There we go.
Now we got pistons that can bore it, own it.
Yeah, we can get this thing done. Woo-hoo. Make a little power.
Yeah, she's ready though.
Alright.
Got a name for it yet?
Well, the truck is the Undertaker, so. Yeah.
8 weeks later.
Wow, here we go. Look at beautiful right here. This is our short block from the original short block, actually. This is the one that the oil pump gears went in, but it had about 20,000 miles when it went, so we decided to keep that block, get this block fully done, and reduce downtime by doing that. That way we didn't have to pull a block out just to upgrade a block. And you can see it's fully complete now. The crank's in, the pistons are in, got all that great ARP hardware up in there. And yeah, man, it's time to get ready to turn this bad boy on up and really unleash the Undertaker. What you will notice over here is a brand new 2020 L&M block. This block has never been used, so you'll see how much cleaner that is compared to mine, which had that Jersey salt all down in the valley and so on. But yeah, this one here is getting L&M special. It's a 2020 F-150 actually. So we'll look forward to seeing these guys whenever we get this thing rolling just the same. I believe it goes on a turbo truck. So here we go, man. Undertaker 2.0. Well, yeah, as you can see, we're getting ready to turn up and have some good fun. The blower's back. We're waiting to have the short block turned into a long block. We should be picking that up any day now and put everything back together and get ready to really shoot for some 8s, shoot for some records. The current 10-speed Coyote truck record is 890, I believe. So we'll look to see what we can do with that. But yeah, follow us and you'll see more consistent uploads coming now since things are starting to open up again. We should be back to uploading around like twice a week type thing. And stay up to date. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see as we start uploading the new videos. Hey, like that. That's where we're at now. All right, boosted F-150 out.